Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 9.1. In the last video we solved question number 1. Okay, so let's go on to question number 2. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following. Okay, here they have given a pattern. Okay, and we have to add 4 more rational numbers in this pattern. Okay, so in the next 4 rational numbers. So let's see the pattern initially. Okay, so to start with, let's take minus 3 by 5. Okay, so what number did we multiply this minus 3 by 5 with, so that we get the next number minus 6 by 10. So what did we multiply? Minus 3 into 2, correct? Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Similarly, in the denominator 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, so we multiplied 2 by 2. Minus 3 by 5 into 2 by 2 gives minus 6 by 10. Correct? Now, take the next one, minus 9 by 15. Okay, so minus 3 by 5 into what gives minus 9 by 15? We know that it is 3. Minus 3 into 3 is minus 9. Again 5 into 3 is 15. So we multiplied the first number minus 3 by 5 with 3 by 3, so that we get the third number minus 9 by 15. Okay, now let's take the third one, minus 12 by 20. Okay, so minus 3 by 5, that is a first number, into what gives minus 12 by 20. We know that it is minus 3 into 4 is equal to minus 12. Again 5 into 4 equal to 20. So we multiply the first number with first number with 4 by 4 to get our next number, that is the fourth number, minus 12 by 20. Okay, now what is the question? We have to find the next rational number. Okay, next 4 rational numbers. Okay, so let's take, so here to get the second number, we multiplied the first number with 2 by 2. Again for third number we multiplied it with 3 by 3. For getting the fourth number, we multiplied the first number with 4 by 4. So what should we multiply the first number with to get our next number, that is a fifth number? Is minus 3 by 5 into 5 by 5. If we do, we will get the next number. Correct? So what is the answer? Minus 15 by 25 is the next number. Again to get the next number, what should we do? Minus 3 by 5 into what should we multiply? 6 by 6. 6 by 6 if we multiply, what will we get? Minus 18 by 30. Correct? Similarly for the next number, minus 3 by 5 into what should we multiply? 7 by 7 if we multiply, what will we get? Minus 21 by 35. Correct? Similarly, minus 3 by 5 into 8 by 8 if we do, what will we get? Minus 24 by 35. So, these are the next 4 rational numbers. Okay? So, what is the answer? The answer is minus 15 by 20. Minus 15 by 25 is the next number. Minus 18 by 30 is the next number. Minus 21 by 35. Again finally minus 24 by 40. Sorry, this is 40. Okay, 8 5s are 40. So clear with this? These are the next 4 rational numbers. Okay, this is your answer. Clear with this? We just have to see the pattern and just complete the next 4 numbers. Okay. Now let's go on to the next problem. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay. What is the second question? Minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 12. We have to fill up the next 4 rational numbers. So in the same way, what should we do? So let's take the first number first. Minus 1 by 4. Okay. So what did we multiply this minus 1 by 4 with? So that we get the next number minus 2 by 8 into what gives minus 2 by 8. Minus 1 into 2 gives minus 2. Correct? By 4 into 2 gives 8. So we multiplied minus 1 by 4 with 2 by 2. So that we get the second number minus 2 by 8. Correct? Now let's take the third number. Minus 1 by 4 into what gives minus 3 by 12. We know that minus 1 into 3 gives minus 3. 4 into 3 gives 12. So to get the third number, we multiply the first number, that is minus 1 by 4 with 3 by 3. Okay, to get the third number, that is minus 3 by 12. Now what should we multiply the first number with so that we get the next number? Minus 1 by 4 into, here we multiply 2 by 2. Next number we multiply 3 by 3. So the next number we should multiply 4 by 4. 4 by 4, if we multiply, what is the answer? Minus 4 by 16 is the next number. Clear? Now to get the next number, minus 1 by 4 into 5 by 5, if we do, minus 5 by 20 is the next number. Similarly, minus 1 by 4 into 6 by 6, if you do it, you will get the answer minus 6 by 24. Okay, so how many did we get? 1, 2 and 3. Now we need 2 more. Okay, sorry, 1 more. Okay, so what should we do? Minus 1 by 4 into, next is 7 by 7, if we do, you will get minus 7 by 28. Okay, so these are the next 4 numbers. So what are the next 4 numbers? After minus 3 by 12, minus 4 by 16. Okay, next is minus 5 by 20, minus 6 by 24 and minus 7 by 28. These are the next 4 rational numbers. Okay, so clear with this? Now let's move on to our next problem. Now let's move on to our third problem. Minus 1 by 6, 2 by minus 12, 3 by minus 18 and 4 by minus 24. Now let's take the pattern. Let's see what is the pattern. Okay, so let's take the first number, minus 1 by 6 into dash. What should we multiply? So that we get the second number, 2 by minus 12. Okay, so minus 1 into which number gives you 2? It is minus 2, right? Minus 1 into minus 2 gives you plus 2. Similarly, 6 into what number gives you minus 12? Again it is minus 2. So we have multiplied the rational number 1 by 6, minus 1 by 6 with minus 2 by minus 2. So that you get the next number in the sequence, that is 2 by minus 12. Okay, now let's take the next one, minus 1 by 6 into what gives the third number, 3 by minus 18. So minus 1 into what gives 3? Minus 1 into minus 3 gives you plus 3, correct? Similarly, 6 into minus 3 gives you 18. Okay, so to get the third number, you have multiplied the first number, that is minus 1 by 6 with minus 3 by minus 3. Okay. Now let's take the fourth one. Minus 1 by 6 into dash gives you 4 by minus 24. Again minus 1 into minus 4 gives you plus 4. 6 into minus 4 gives you minus 24. Okay. So you have multiplied the first term with minus 4 by minus 4. So that you get the answer 4 by minus 24. Okay. So what is the pattern here? Minus 2 by minus 2, minus 3 by minus 3, minus 4 by minus 4. So what should be the next number? Minus 1 by 6 into minus 5 by minus 5 gives you what? Minus 1 into minus 5 gives 5. Correct? Divided by 6 into minus 5 gives you minus 30. Okay. So the next number is 5 by minus 30. Now let's take the next one. Minus 1 by 6 into minus 6 by minus 6 by minus 6. This should be the next number, right? So what is the answer here? Minus 1 into minus 6 gives you plus 6 divided by 6 into minus 6 gives you minus 36. Okay. So this is the next number. Now what is the next one? Minus 1 by 6 into minus 7 by minus 7 gives you what? Minus 1 into minus 7 gives you 7. 6 into minus 7 gives you minus 42. Okay. So the next number is 7 by minus 42. Now how many numbers we have got? 1, 2, 3. We need one more number, right? So minus 1 by 6 into minus 8 by minus 8 gives you what? Minus 1 into minus 8 gives you 8 divided by 6 into minus 8 gives you minus 48. So clear with this? Now we have got the next 4 rational numbers. So what are the next 4 rational numbers? After 4 by minus 24 it is 5 by minus 30. Next number is 6 by minus 36. Next number is 7 by minus 42. And the next number is what? 8 by minus 48. So these are the next 4 rational numbers. So clear with this? Now let's move on to the next problem. Now let's move on to our next problem, that is 4th problem. Minus 2 by 3, 2 by minus 3, 4 by minus 6, 6 by minus 9. Okay, so let's take the first number, minus 2 by 3. So what is the pattern here? Minus 2 by 3 into what gives you 2 by minus 3? Minus 2 by 3. No, minus 2 into minus 1 gives you plus 2, correct? Minus into minus plus. Again minus 3 into plus 3 into minus 1 gives you minus 3. Okay. So with the first number you have multiplied minus 1 by minus 1 so that you get the second number. Correct. Now similarly let's move on to the third number. Minus 2 by 3 into what gives you 4 by minus 6. So minus 2 into minus 2 gives you plus 4 divided by 3 into minus 2 gives you minus 6. Okay. So we have multiplied the first number with minus 2 by minus 2 to get our third number, that is 4 by minus 6. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. Minus 2 by 3 into what gives you the next number, 6 by minus 9. 6 by minus 9. Here minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to plus 6. Correct. Similarly 3 into minus 3 gives you minus 9. Okay. So we have multiplied the first number with minus 3 by minus 3 to get our next number, 6 by minus 9. So what is the pattern here? Minus 1 by minus 1, minus 2 by minus 2, minus 3 by minus 3. So what should be our next number? So we have to multiply minus 2 by 3 into minus 4 by minus 4 to get our next number. Correct? So is equal to minus 2 into minus 4 is what? Plus 8 divided by 3 into minus 4 is what? Minus 12. So our next number is 8 by minus 12. Now what is the next number? Minus 2 by 3 into minus 5 by minus 5 if we do, we'll get the next number, correct? So what is the next number? Minus 2 into minus 5 is 10 divided by 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. Okay. So the next number is 10 by minus 15. Okay. Now let's move on to the next number. Minus 2 by 3 into minus 6 by minus 6. If we do, what will we get? 6 into 2 is 12. That is minus 6 into minus 2 is plus 12 divided by 3 into minus 16 is minus 6 is minus 18. So this is our next number. So we need 4 numbers, right? So we need one more number. Minus 2 by 3 into minus 7 by minus 7 if we do. What will you get? Minus 2 into minus 7 is plus 14. 14 by 3 into minus 7 is what? Minus 21. Okay. So you have got 4 numbers. Next 4 rational numbers here. That is after 6 by minus 9. It is 8 by minus 12. Okay. Next is 10 by minus 15. 12 by minus 18. 14 by minus 21. So these are the next 4 rational numbers. So clear with this? Now let's move on to our next question. So let's move on to our next question, that is the third question. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to, the first one is minus 2 by 7. Okay. So how do you find the equivalent of a rational number? You just have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay. Then you will get the equivalent of the rational number. Now let's take the first question, that is minus 2 by 7. Okay. So you can multiply minus 2 by 7 with the both numerator and denominator with the same number. For example, let's take 2. If you take 2, minus 2 by 7 into 2 by 2, what will you get? Minus 4 by 14. Correct? So minus 4 by 14 is equivalent to minus 2 by 7. Again, minus 2 by 7 into 3 by 3 if you do, what will you get? Minus 6 by 21. Correct? Now this is also an equal and rational number. Again, minus 2 by 7 into 4 by 4 if you do, what will you get? Minus 8 by 28. This is also a rational number. Again, minus 2 by 7 into 5 by 5 if we do, what will you get? Minus 10 by 35. Okay. So these 4 are equivalent to minus 2 by 7. Okay. Minus 4 by 14, minus 6 by 21, minus 8 by 28, minus 10 by 35. Okay. All these are equivalent to minus 2 by 7. Okay. Similarly, let's take the next one, that is 5 by minus 3. 5 by minus 3, what should we multiply? So let's start from here. Second question is 5 by minus 3. Okay. So 5 by minus 3 you can multiply with 2 by 2. What will you get? 10 by minus 6. Okay. If you multiply 5 by minus 3 with 3 by 3, you can even multiply with minus 3 by minus 3. That is also an equivalent. Okay. So, but whatever number we are multiplying with the denominator, we have to multiply the same number with the numerator. That is the only factor which we have to consider. Okay. So 3 by 3, 5 by minus 3 into 3 by 3, what will you get? 15 by minus 9. Okay. Again, 5 by minus 3 into 4 by 4, what will you get? 20 by minus 12. Okay. Again, 5 by minus 3 into 5 by 5 if we do, you will get 25 by minus 15. So 10 by minus 6, 15 by minus 9, 20 by minus 12, 25 by minus 15. All these things are equivalent to what? 5 by minus 3. Okay. So this is how you have to find the equivalent of a rational number. Now let's take the next one, 4 by 9. In a similar way, what should we do? 4 by 9 into, if you do 2 by 2, what will you get? 4 into 2, 8. 9 into 2, 18. 8 by 18. Okay. Now 4 by 9 into 3 by 3. What is the answer? 4 3s are 12 by 9 3s are 27. Again 4 by 9 into 4 by 4. If you do, what will you get? 4 into 4 is 16. 4 4s are 16 by 36. Okay. 4 by 9 into 5 by 5. If you do, 4 5s are 20. 9 5s are 45. So clear with this? These 4 are the equivalent rational numbers to 4 by 9. 8 by 18, 12 by 27, 16 by 36, 20 by 45. Clear with this? Okay. Now the next question, that is question number 4, we'll see it in our next video. Okay. Bye-bye.